Uh, okay. So, our topic is brief introduction about how the CSS will be written with the help of HTML and HTML. So basically, CSS is used for HTML to write our HTML elements or attributes or anything. Basically, we already discussed, right? So many types of selectors are there. So we have an simple selectors and combinator selectors and pseudo clauses and pseudo elements and attribute selector. Okay, these are the types of selectors. Okay, in simple selector we have element id class name we already discussed. Okay, so this is called as, I'm writing in body tag. This is I will add some text here instead of this one. Hello. So paragraph is we added, right? So for paragraph we added text align. This is an element. P is an element. Okay. So id is an, this is id selector. This is paragraph element selector. Okay, our element selector, element selector, id selector. This I where id selector is denoted with hash symbol, and class selector is denoted with a dot. Okay, so for example we have, so we will open this one. So the h1 tag is having one class as center. Okay, even p tag also having center. Okay, so he is apply here focusing p tag. If I change here h1 tag, so now this is paragraph, right? Paragraph element will come start and this is comes at center. Okay, now I am running the application. So now see, and color also changing. Okay, this is element selector. Okay, our element selector, this is element selector element and it's having class. Okay, and so how to comment and how to multi-line single line comments we know, right? So already we know, actually just you can use these symbols. Okay, forward slash and star and backward slash and star. Okay, so basically if you don't have any Visual Studio or laptop, try to read from the mobile. Use this Visual Studio, sorry, W3 schools. So try to change it. For example, he is focusing on paragraph changing the color. Okay, so try to add here only. So you add some background color. If you don't have with you laptop or something, then you try to practice in your mobile also. Okay, so I'm adding background color as green. Okay, so you can play with this. Okay, what are the types of selectors and simple selector, id selector, and pseudo selectors also there. So you click here and you will go all the selectors now. Okay, descendant selectors means basically inside the div whatever matching elements, like for example see here, our entire, this is a div. Inside the div what are the paragraph elements is there. Okay, so that element only apply background color. That is descendant selector, right? So that is we can denote it with some space. Okay, inside the child selector also we can reuse it. We already discussed all these things. Okay, so we'll just, I'm giving brief introduction about what we are discussed till now in CSS. Okay, and even colors also we are discussed. Okay, colors we so many colors we have in real time. So directly they will give the colors, which kind of color we need to use for the text, or what kind of font size. All these things they will give. Just we need to copy there what they are given. Just we need to copy and paste here. Okay, so try to if you don't have any if you don't have any laptop or something, you don't have any time also, try to check in your mobile only. Okay, up to JavaScript well and good. After that, the frameworks are maybe you need to practice, then only you can understood. Okay, so so we already discussed what is RGBA, what is hex and hexadecimal colors, and what is the RGBA. RGBA means red, green, blue, and hue, saturation, light, and hexadecimal. This is an hexadecimal. In digital system, we have an hexadecimal decimal colors. We can use this hexadecimal. Okay, so and we are already discussed background color. So background color, background image, background, these are the all properties. This is shorthand property. Okay, background means it is shorthand property. For example, you see background color means, you understood, right? So you can see these first paragraph is having p, they are adding for different elements. Okay, h1 element, the entire div they added, and p paragraph, for the paragraph p is and also an element, they are added different element with different colors. Okay, so the background color is applied different to different elements. Okay, so this is our entire thing. So you observe, right? Inside, this is a div, this is closing div. Inside the div we have paragraph. So this paragraph having background color is yellow. This entire div, this is an entire div, right? This one entire div they are giving light blue. Inside the paragraph we have an paragraph, they are for paragraph we are given yellow color. If you give the red color, then try to run it, it will apply. Okay, so whatever may be.
Bro,
Yeah,
could you speak a bit loud?
yeah. Now it's fine. Hello.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. So this is about background color. Okay, so we are discussed, right, the opacity. Opacity means, so the opacity range is always 0 to 1. This is a default, 1 is a default opacity. If you increase, for example, this is an, they are written for the first div, second div, third div. Okay, if you see here, this is one div, this is first div, second div, third div. Okay, if you keep on increase, for example, I am adding for this one, they are writing here, this is an internal style. Okay, we already discussed within styles we are written, whatever div we have, we are changing the background color. Div having, we are changing the opacity also. For example, I am changing 0.5. So 0.5 means it is somewhat thickness color. Okay, 0.3 means the transparent color will be applied, like it is not color, like it is transparency of background actually. Okay, the opacity means transparency. The range is 0 to 1 only about the opacity. Okay, so even we can apply RGB color also, we can apply whatever maybe, whatever color it may be, we can apply directly opacity also. Here next we'll go with background image. So we are added for entire body also. So see, this is our body, entire body. This is hello world, and this page has an image as a background. This is an just they are adding in h1 tag and paragraph tag. So in internal styles, see this style background image they are adding. So if you want to change here, you can add any images like grapes images. Just copy the path and properly just go to the copy image address, go here, not this one. Okay, yeah. So if you paste here, the path is works are not video. Yeah, see, this is we are applying for background image. Okay, so you can play here in visual w3 schools. Okay, you change it, play it, anything. Okay, change the any image or something, the repeating or not. Okay, you try to do that and add it. The background image means you understood, right? And we have next one is background repeat. Background repeat means this is, and we are applying background image. The background image, the repeat along the x-axis. Along x-axis means horizontally we can call as x-axis, and this is vertical axis. Like when vertical axis, horizontal axis, you know, right? So actually this is an gradient bgpng they are added. Okay, so this is, their background is repeats along the x-axis. Okay, if I change y-axis, I think we are not observed. Okay, so see, we are observed actually. So the background is applied vertically. See, for horizontal, x means horizontally. Okay, that is for horizontally. Okay, the background is applying now, background image is applying horizontally. That is the background repeat. And sometimes we have no repeat also. So no repeat, just no repeat also there. Okay, it will not repeat, just fixed for the only content. Okay, that is no repeat, no repeat of the background image. Okay, that is, you need to practice all the types. Just you need to remember, in whenever required in real time we will use. That's it. Okay, so this is about background repeat. No repeat means that proper, that image is not repeat. So see, if you want so actually no repeat is coming, right? The image is coming, this is an image actually. Okay, so it will not repeat. If you add a repeat along the x-axis and y-axis, see what is the difference. See, the images are coming horizontal. This is an horizontal means x-axis, this is vertical axis. So the images are repeating now. Okay, keep on repeating. So if you scroll this side, right side, so you can see, right? So images are repeating actually. Okay, background images are repeating, no need to repeat, only one image is needed means just you can add it background repeat as no repeat. Okay, that is the thing. And we one more thing, we have background position. So see, if you open this one, so the image position is coming right top. Okay, this is, so this is our box, for example, this is our box, this is left, this is right. So this is top right, this is top left. Sorry, this is top left, this is top right, this is bottom right, this is bottom left. If I change here, um here I will change here bottom. Then then the image will come where it is come, this image is will display here. So here the image will display here. See, if I run here, so this margin right is applying, so right bottom. Okay, right bottom. So I will add, otherwise top only, then you can see. I think we'll see left ml. I will add. See, it is coming this side, right? So why it is not coming bottom means some margin is applying here. See, margin means, we'll discuss about this margin also. So background position is change, we can change also. Now this is left top, right? So left bottom also it come, right? Actually comes here. We cannot see observation. See, this is left some bottom. Okay, if you add some margin top, then you can see actually margin top 200 pixel. Yeah, see, this is an left actually. Okay, so we can play this we can play left, top, right, bottom. Okay, this is an background properties. Okay, so mainly we are using background image and background repeat, and background position also we'll use, but most of the time we use background image and background repeat. Okay, this property. And background attachment. Okay. So attachment is having actually two properties mainly. So we have fixed and scroll, right? So the attachment, so this image is actually fixed. When we are scrolling this image, see, this is our entire content they are added, right? This entire content, and for the entire body, this is an fixed position. Okay, background attached is fixed. If I add here fixed, not fixed, now scroll I will add. So whenever we are scroll this content, the image also will scroll. See, now see, the image also scrolling, right? So if I here I will, if background attachment is fixed, then the image is fixed. Just our content will scroll. Okay, that is the main difference. The image will not scrolling now. If you observe properly, I think you can understood, right? The background attachment, what is the use of background attachment? Okay, so now what we are discussed, we can add background image also. What is the use of background repeat also we are discussed, and what is background attachment also we are discussed. Okay, till now. And one more property is there for background. Shorthand property. Shorthand property means, so shorthand property means all the backgrounds. For example, sometimes we'll write like this. So if you see here, so here this is color, white color. So we'll change here. We'll change other color also. I'm writing red. Okay, run it. This is entire body is applying. This is shorthand property. So, and we can add image. No need to repeat. If you want to repeat it. Okay, I'm repeating. See, all the images are repeated. This is in shorthand. All the background properties. So this is right top. This is the background position. Okay. So this is background color, actually. Background color, background image, background repeat, background position. This is our shorthand property. Okay, we can write shorthand property. We can change images also. If you need any image, directly place here. You can see multiple image. Okay, the image don't need to repeat. Then you can add no repeat, and just only one image will display. And background we can change red. Instead of red, the red content is not displaying. So we'll change to white. Okay, so understood, right? What is use of background, what are different types of properties? This is shorthand property. This is most useful actually. Okay, instead of writing all these things, just one property, in one property we can write. Okay, we can add color, we can add background image, we can add background repeat position and position. These properties we can write with the help of background. This is a shorthand property of this entire background. Okay, so we can add background color, background image. This is covered, this is covered, this is covered. Attachment, so attachment also we can cover, but attachment means we have an position, right? No need to attachment. What are the property we have? Scroll and fixed, right? In that case we can use that. Okay, this is entirely about background. Okay, so next we'll discuss about borders. Okay, so borders means, so this is our paragraph element. So we are added this paragraph element having some border, 1px solid. So different types of border styles are there. Okay, so border styles are actually dotted. So this border will come dotted. Okay, so we'll show you examples. We'll scroll and we'll see. So this is our different types of border styles. We can change, we can play now. Here, see, if you see here, different styles: dotted, dashed, and solid. Mostly we'll use solid only, most of the time. This is a most important style also. Okay, just we'll write 1px solid red or something we can give in real world also. Mostly we'll use solid. If anything, yeah, our exam papers will come like this is dotted. Okay, this is dotted, this is dashed. Okay, this is just solid means just it will come 1 pixel, it will come directly 1 px solid color. With block it will come. Okay, solid means. And double means somewhat two, this thickness is there, right? It will divide into two boxes actually. Okay, when we are cut the entire rectangle box half, it will come like this. Okay, so ridge means this type, and this is mostly will not use. This will use border none. So some of the properties no need to add any border style. Okay, so then in that case we can use. Okay, you understood, right? So this is all paragraph elements, all the paragraph elements. Border style. If you want border style something, they are given dotted. Dotted means this kind of structure. If you observe here, so this is an dotted structure. So they are given here. Text also they are given properly. So this is an dashed. How they are given, you know, right? So if they are given per paragraph, okay, I will give div here, div here also div, and I need to change here. Okay, then only what we are added, then only it will apply. If I add here paragraph, for example, I am adding paragraph, first one will something it is not applying. Okay, if you see here, so we don't have any border for this one. So try to understand and what we are discussing. So I am here, I am changing the element, that this paragraph. So just I am changing div dotted, then now it will apply. If I run the application, then it will apply. Okay, so you can play the we can change the some h1 h3 tags. We have so many tags, right? If I write here h6 tag, okay, it will not apply. Okay, why? Because I am using here p tag I am using. So if I run that application, there is no dash things. Okay, if I change here h6, then it will apply. Okay, so just you remember, no need to by heart and everything. Just what are the border styles mean, just we need to dotted, dashed, and solid, and double, and groove, and ridge. This just we need to remember what is what. Okay, then we can play with this. And I will go next one. So we have a border width. So border width, so see, so paragraph having the 5 pixel border width. Okay, so the border width, if I add here 15 pixel, so 15 pixel border width will means the width of the border is will increase, right? If you see here, see now the width, this is an 15 pixel. If you inspect, if you want to inspect, so we can see here. Okay, so for this one I added. So if you see, I will remove, then see, if I add here, see, keep on increasing. Okay, that is the border width. Okay, so what is border width means, you understood maybe. So we are added above the content. Okay, above the padding is called as actually border. So I am adding border width. This is an width actually, this is width. Okay, this is height, this is width. Okay, so I'm going here. And so here for the width also, we can add whatever we have in color, groove and double and dashed, all these things also we can add. Okay, we are adding, just we can add border style, and we can add with border width also. We can play this one. Okay, so if I give 150, for example, the fifth div, this is an coming as a double. Yeah, maybe this one, this above this one, 150 means it is very huge. See, this kind of the width I given. Okay, yeah, so you can, yeah, just border, what is border style and what is border width, you need to understand first. Okay, and for the borders also, we can add the colors. Okay, if you see here, so here we have a border with border style and border color. We can add here border width also if you want. Here just enter here border width. border width is, for example, I am giving 10 pixel for the first div. Okay, this div I am adding. Okay, if you want to change, here is red color is there, right? I will change gray color if you want. Okay, see, this is our border color. Still now what we are discussed: border style, border color, and border width. Okay, so just we are focusing only border only. Okay, inside the border, and we can side color also will give. Okay, side colors means, if you see here, uh if you see, it is not visible, I think. This is an yellow color is coming, right? Okay, this side, this top is red, and border bottom is coming blue color, and border right is coming green color. So that is the one single property is there. So border color, this indicates top. Red indicates top. Everything first, anything. So a margin or padding or border color or anything. For example, we have an four properties, means, so it will start from the top. For example, this is one box. Okay, this is one box. It will start from the top. Anything, if four properties there, four properties means 1 2 3 4. Okay, then it will start from here, means first one take whatever we given value. For example, I am changing here. This is an what we can give, aqua will give. Aqua I am giving. Aqua means this top will take first. This is green will take right side. This is top, this is right, this is bottom, this is left. Okay, see this, see, if you want to see, now you observe, I think this is top, right? Top is applying everything. Even we have a margin also, padding. If you next will discuss about margin and padding. So for example, I will remove these two. Okay, so now this is only two parameters are there, right? Two parameters means it will apply one single aqua will apply top and bottom, and green will apply left, sorry, right and left. Okay, this is right and left will apply green. Okay, now yellow will not apply. So if you see here, so I'm changing here. You think, I think you are observed. Yeah, now top and bottom will become aqua only. If you see here, this is green, this is green. Okay, that is about border color with two parameters. Okay, so if it is four parameters means, so I'm doing control Z, then aqua, green, blue. So this aqua, green, blue, yellow will become apply. This is top, this is right, this is bottom, this is left. Now if you run this, so now if you run this, you can see now the difference. Okay, just observe the difference. So how it is applying, no need to remember. Okay, just will use this W3 School also. We can use when we are developing the application, we can use, no problem. Okay, yeah, this is about specific side of colors. Okay, all the sides, I can say all the sides of colors. Okay, so till so hexa colors also we know, right? Hexa colors mean this kind of colors as an hexa colors. So this is an RGBA color, and this is hue saturation light. Okay, so this is about border color, and border sides also we are discussed, right? So they are giving with the two properties. Okay, then this is an top bottom, this is right and left. Okay, so play with this visual W3 School. And border shorthand property also there. Whatever we are observed in background shorthand property, and we have an border shorthand property also. Okay, so we'll try to scroll this one. Yeah, now see, so border bottom is 6 pixel solid red. Okay, border, this is a border bottom. So if I try myself, this is the border bottom, right? You can write border right also. Instead of bottom, you can write right means this side will apply. Left means just it will come right like this, and top means it will come up. Okay, that is the border right. You can play. Okay, top, bottom, left, right, bottom. Okay, now it is coming top, right? I am changing border top. Okay, that's why this is 6 pixel. If you want 600 pixel means it's very big. Okay, if you check here, so this much, this is an our pixel, 600 pixel. No need to add. Okay, in real world we don't have such kind of okay, this is 60, not 60 pixel. I will give 5 3 pixel. This is more than enough. Okay, this kind of we'll see. Okay, this is, it will take shorthand property. Okay, and border rounds. So see, so this is normal border, right? And if you observe here, the border, this is border about border radius. Okay, this is border, just normal border 1 pixel. This, see, this is 2 px solid red. Okay, this is 2 px solid red. This is border radius we are applying. Okay, if you keep on increase, so it, the round, the all the corner shapes will become shape well, if anyone see here, so this is a normal border. This is, if border radius we are applying somewhat 5 pixel 10 pixel, if I apply 20 pixel like this. Okay, so if I apply, this is almost 100% means we can change. Okay, no problem. But if you, how in real world how it is needed, we need to change. Okay, I will give 50 percentage, for example 50 percentage for which div I given. This is a normal div, right? So I am given for the second rounded border. So this is how it is displaying. See, this is 50 percentage means come under as circle, like 50, somewhat circle. So see, this is an ellipse shape is coming. If you observe here, so we are changing 50 percentage. If I change 100%, if I change 100% means same thing. Okay, so that is not good way, but we need to move this text into the center, then only the look and feel nice. Okay, so we'll play with this. Okay, so border radius means you understood, right? All the corners will become turned to some practically you can see here. So some turn shape will come. Okay, that is some border radius we are applying. This is for 5 pixel. This is, I'm changing here control Z. If I apply control Z, so run it, so it will come properly again. Okay, so just here 8 pixel, and just you can, if you want 20 15, this is will give 25. Okay, and padding means this is also shorthand property only. Padding only single parameter is there. From padding 5 pixel means it will apply for top, right, bottom and left. Okay, so now see how it is. Okay, as per the requirement we'll do that. So next this is about border things is very easy, like, and even background also easy, everything in CSS. No need to practice. Try to use this W3 school and go to your Visual Studio Code and type yourself. Okay, type yourself. If anything you are facing a issue, just let me know. We can play with this even though you don't have any time. Try to practice from here only. Okay, let me discuss about now margin. Okay, actually margin means, so this is, so if you see here, this is an paragraph, for example, this is border, right? Entirely we given an border. So outside of elements, so say this is this is margin top. Actually outside this border, outside is called as margin top. If you see here, if you read here, margins are used to create a space around the element outside of any defined border. If you see this small sentence, outside of a defined border is called as a margin. This is the border, right? This is an border. Outside of any area is called as, margin. This is, for example, inside area is called as, this is margin top. This is, sorry, padding. Inside area is called as padding. This is an entirely padding. This is outside, all the area is there, right? If you see here, this content outside the area is called as margin. Okay, this is margin top, this is margin right, this is margin bottom, this is margin left. So if you see here, so margin 70 pixel is given. Okay, 70, just one parameter means, so we need to consider top, top and right, bottom, left is all, say it is applying for all the properties. So same, if you change here, I am changing here, for example, um I'm changing to 10 pixel. So right, top, left, it will come 10 pixel only. It will somewhat, it will come here. So if you see here, see the margins are very less. Okay. If you really observe here, so if I give you margin, for example, two parameters, with two parameters, with two parameters means this is top, this is bottom, this is 10 pixel. Now I will give some different number. So 15 pixel mean will give right first, then this is left. Okay. If you observe, this is margin 10 pixel means top and bottom. And even though I discussed in borders also, okay, two with two parameters and four parameters I discussed. Okay, this is top and bottom now. If I increase with three parameters, so if I'm giving 5 pixel per third one, and fourth one I am not giving. Okay, so this is also we'll discuss. Till now, with the two parameters, you understood it. Single parameters mean all the sides will apply. Same pixel it will apply. If the two parameters means top and bottom 10 pixel, this is right and bottom, right and left side is 15 pixel. If you see, I am running here. So see, so 10 pixel means this top 10 pixel is taking, bottom 10 pixel it's taking, and 15 pixel means right and left it is taking 15 pixel. If I change here is 2 pixel, so it will starts here. So if you observe, so now see it will change. Here also there is small space. If I increase 20, so here the space between this content is more. It will start almost here and it will start almost here. If you observe, yeah, see somewhat space will creating, right, left and right. This is about indicating left and right, sorry, right and left. This is top. If I increase top, see almost it will come here. If you observe my cursor, the top it will come here, bottom to it will come here. So if you, I'm searching, see the content is top is coming, top is applying, and bottom also applying. We are not observed actually properly. So this is about margin, top, bottom, and left. Okay, so this is the actually single margin means is the four, all the top, bottom, right will apply. Okay, this is an top, bottom, left, no need to discuss. Shorthand property means just margin. Okay, so this is an four parameters with the four parameters. If you see here example, so we are applying border and background color we are applied, and margin. So margin, this is what, see four parameters, right? This is top, this is right, this is bottom, this is left. Okay, so top it see 25 pixel, this is 50 pixel, this is 75 pixel, this is 100 pixel. Okay, this is about four parameters. If I change to two parameters, so then see this is